If you're looking for a home that's close to DC and close to everything else, then look no further. 10221 Capitol View Avenue in Silver Spring is a fantastic home with a wonderful location. This home has 6 good-sized bedrooms. That's right, 6 bedrooms with 3 full baths. The kitchen is spacious with plenty of room to cook and to entertain. It has a large separate dining room and a room that could be used as a breakfast nook or converted into a large pantry. There's a large open living room area and sitting area, and the best kept secret about this home is its backyard. It's level, totally fenced in with a privacy fence, and a large spacious covered deck. This home is a must-see for anyone looking to move to the DC Silver Spring area. We have an open house here every single day. We just need 2 hours notice to prepare the home. Go to www.10221capitalview.com and schedule your time for a private tour of this amazing home. Again, to see the potential of this home, schedule an open house at www.10221capitalview.com and schedule your time for a private open house tour. Stop on by.